Okay, so now let's talk about your profile. So we're going to go to profile here. Here it shows your name. You can upload a picture, profile picture of yourself, or something that represents you. Over here is where you can write your bio. I just have this as this is a test account because that's exactly what it is, but you can put some information about yourself. Over here is your Sky Gym balance, and how much does that equal in real money, USD. You can view your gym purchase history here by clicking gym purchase history. You can view your public profile right here. You can look at your transaction history over here. Your Sky Gym history over here, which is pretty much the same as over there. XR spaces that you're in or own. Over here is your payout account status. This account does not have a Stripe Express account connected right now, so that's why it says pending, charges are disabled, payments are disabled, because I haven't connected my Stripe Express account. Once you do that, then you can actually receive payments for your gyms. Over here is where you would cash out. Now you got to remember, you have to have a minimum of $100 worth of Sky Gems in order to cash out. But once you do, you would just put how many you would like to cash out there. It'll show the grand total, the platform fee. We do take 30%, and how much you would get. Then you would agree to the terms and conditions and then request your cash out. Down here is where you will receive food rewards. It's not real food, but it's virtual food. And food is equal to gems, which you can cash out for real money as well. Over here, it shows how many people are following you and how many people you are following. Now, you can look at someone's public profile by just clicking their name. And if we click here, we can see their profile picture, their username, date joined, their bio, and you can follow them. You can see how many followers they have and how many people they are following as well as the XR spaces they are in. If you click on the XR spaces here, it'll take you right to them. So we're going to give this guy a follow. There we go. Just like that. And if, like I said, if you click here, it'll actually take you to the XR space.